All right, folks, welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of phonics and how it can completely transform your English reading skills. You know, as an English teacher, I've witnessed countless beginners struggle with memorizing vocabulary, and honestly, it's heartbreaking. I mean, how can you memorize words if you can't even read them, right?
Yeah, that makes total sense. Like, if you don't know how to pronounce something, how can you remember it?
Exactly. So the first thing you need to learn is phonics. It's a simple yet powerful method that can help you read English words. I'm going to share the same steps I took to learn the English language. Trust me, you might want to save this information because it's a game changer.
Oh wow, I'm definitely taking notes. So, what's the first step? Laughs.
The first step is to learn the 26 letters of the alphabet. Now you might think, oh, that's easy, but there are so many details about these letters that you may not have learned before.
Like what kind of details? Are there secret tricks or something?
Great question. Well, for instance, each letter has its own sound, and some letters can make different sounds depending on their placement in a word. It's like a secret code. The second step is to learn blends, which are essentially combinations of letters that make reading words much easier.
Blends? That sounds cool. Can you give me an example? Laughs.
Absolutely. Let's practice a blend together. FR. Now let's try it again. FR.
FR. Okay, I think I got it. This is fun.
Perfect. If you grasped that, you can start to read words just by learning a few blends. Imagine learning all of them. For example, if we blend FR and AN with CH, we get franchise.
Whoa, that's awesome. So it's like building blocks for words?
Exactly. In just a matter of seconds, you can read many words in the English language. It's like unlocking a treasure chest of vocabulary.
I love that analogy. So, is this method good for everyone? Like kids and adults? Laughs.
Yes! Whether you're a beginner, an adult, or a child, this method is suitable for you. It's all about breaking down the language into manageable pieces. Join my live stream for more guidance, and I promise you'll be amazed at how quickly you can improve your reading skills.
Wow, I can't wait. This is so exciting. I feel like I'm about to embark on a language adventure. Sigh.